some lotus delicious. Happy Saturday, July, I believe is 11th. And I think video weekend la I just wanted to make a video of what I do on weekends, Saturday, Sunday, how it's like to enjoy the weekend, timeline, that kind of stuff. So let's see how it looks like. All right. I just went for a shopping at one of the Pakistani place. Bought a goat meat, and I wanted to cook goat curry with rice. So I will show you, once I reach my home. Ciao. So I'll show you my goat curry for this Saturday weekend. It looks like this. Let me just stir it a little bit. Alright, so this is the goat curry that I made. I will eat with rice, and I want to put some coriander. Okay, and they look delicious. I'm enjoying the goat curry today, Saturday, July 11th. It was very delicious. Yeah, you can see that my goat curry, how it came out. It's amazing. All right, ciao. This is how we play basketball every weekend, Saturday at Long Beach, California. We just play one game right now for 10 points. It was a very good warm up. So you can see my face sweating. All right, so I'm just taking a break one game. But we have a lot of monks from the center who are ready to play basketball. Ciao. So, pag-atiw shoot, ito siya ako shoot. Siya tibegi. Siya je. 좁게 더 올려. 좁긴 좁게 돼. 300발에. 시다. 바스고. 또 쇼지로 온다. 몰라쇼.
Harry's a boy, she's a girl. He's a boy. Don't get married. I think they're running into the dance.
빨라 빨라 이거 주자.